This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework, AP Physics, Homework 8.1, question number 1. A cup of coffee with a lid is enclosed in an insulated cup 0.5 centimeters thick in the shape of a cube 7 centimeters on a side. So we've got a cubic coffee cup that we are dealing with. The thermal conductivity of the cup is 0.0002 calories per second times centimeters times degrees Celsius. The temperature of the coffee is 91 Celsius and the temperature of the surroundings is 13 Celsius. Find the heat loss due to conduction. Answer in joules per second. So a couple things we need to know here. We need to know that 1 calorie is going to be the same thing as 4.18 joules. And so we're going to have to convert in the end. So this will give us calories if we use this as our constant. The equation we use is that the rate of heat transfer is the conductivity constant times the surface area times the difference in the temperature, Ka delta T, over L, which is the thickness or the length that the heat has to travel through. So we know that K, in this case, is going to be 0.0002, and this is given in calories per second centimeter degrees Celsius. So this is in centimeters. So when I do this, since my measurements are in centimeters, I'm going to be okay because this is in centimeters, so this will give me an answer in calories. If this were in meters and this were in centimeters, then I would have to convert, but I don't have to worry about that. So now I know K. The area is going to be the area of this whole cube, top, bottom, both sides, front and back. So that's going to be 6 times, and the area, mine is 7 centimeters on a side, so that's going to be 7 squared. So that's one side times all 6 sides is going to give me my area. The difference in temperature is going to be my 91 minus my 13. 91 minus 13, that's going to give me my delta T. The L is the thickness of the cup, so my L is going to be 0.5 centimeters, 0.5. So when I put this all together, I get the rate of heat transfer is K, so that's 0.0002, times A, which is 6 times 7 squared, times delta T, which is 91 minus 13, divided by L, which is 0.5. That'll give me some number, but that will be in calories per second, because centimeters and degrees Celsius will cancel out because this is centimeters squared and this is centimeters, and so that's another centimeters that has to cancel out. And this is going to be degrees Celsius, but that's on the bottom. Degrees Celsius will cancel out. So that'll leave me with calories per second. So when I have that, I know that many calories, each calorie is 4.18 joules. So whatever I have for that number of calories per second, if I multiply it by 4.18 joules is the same as 1 calorie, which is the same as multiplying by 4.18. Calories will cancel out, and I'll be left with so many joules per second, or watts, and that's what we're looking for.